So solving equations with an x on both sides of the equal sign. So our goal is no different than it has been when solving in algebra up to now. I want to end up with x equals a number. That's solving for x. You'll get x equals some number. So what do I need to get rid of here? I need to get rid of this 5. I need to get rid of this minus 12. I need to get rid of this entire 2x on the right hand side. So a little bit more to get rid of here. So again, it's the 5 in front of the x is the last thing to get rid of. So get rid of the minus 12 first, or get rid of the 2x first. It's the number in front of the x is the last thing I want to get rid of. So I'll get rid of the 2x first on the right hand side. You're getting rid of the entire 2x here. You're not getting rid of just the 2 in front of the x. So you're not dividing by 2. You are subtracting 2x from the right hand side. You want that 2x gone from the right hand side. If you subtract 2x from the right hand side, you need to do the same thing on the left hand side. So on the right hand side, I've got 2x take away 2x. That's 0. That's why I'm doing this, to get rid of the 2x on the right hand side. What do I have on the left hand side now? I have got 5x take away 2x. You've got 5x here, take away 2x. So that is 3x. Minus 12 equals, what have I got left on the right hand side? Just 15. So the number in front of the x is the last thing you'll get rid of. So next thing to eliminate is this minus 12 here. So what's the opposite of subtracting 12? It's adding 12 on. If I add 12 to the left hand side, I need to do the same thing to the right hand side. So on the left hand side, minus 12 plus 12 is 0. So I'm just left with 3x on the left hand side equals, on the right hand side, 15 plus 12 is 27. Again, x multiplied by 3 is 27. Answer might be screaming out to us at this point, but let's go through our final step. X multiplied by 3, to get rid of a multiplied by 3, you are going to divide by 3. If you divide the left hand side by 3, you have to do the same thing to the right hand side. So 3 divided by 3 cancels. So x equals 27 divided by 3 is 9. And there's your answer. X equals some number. Is always what we want to end up with on these solving for x questions. Just another one of these then. So 12 minus 6x is equal to 3x minus 33. So what do I want to end up with? X equals some number. So I'm getting rid of this 3x, I'm getting rid of this 12, and I'm getting rid of that minus 6 in front of the x. Again, that minus 6 in front of the x is the last thing to get rid of. So let's get rid of the 3x from the right hand side first. So let's subtract 3x from the right hand side. If I subtract 3x from the right hand side, I need to do the same thing to the left hand side. Right hand side, 3x minus 3x is 0. That's why I'm doing this. Left hand side, then I've got 12. And then minus 6x minus 3x is minus 9x. On the right hand side, I've just got minus 33 left. So I want to get rid of the 12 from the left hand side now. So let's subtract 12 from the left hand side, and then I have to do the same thing to the right hand side. So on the left hand side, 12 take away 12 is 0. So I'm left with just minus 9x on the left hand side. On the right hand side, minus 33 minus 12 is minus 45. That's the type of thing I would probably check on a calculator. So minus 33 minus 12 is minus 45. Just if you get kind of my two minuses like that mixed up a little bit, just check it on the calculator. But again, that's not what we're talking about when we say two minuses making a plus. Minus 33 take away 12 is minus 45. Anyway, minus 9x is equal to minus 45. So x multiplied by minus 9 is equal to minus 45. So I want to get rid of a multiplied by minus 9. So the opposite of multiplying by minus 9 is dividing by minus 9. So do the same thing then on the right hand side. On the left-hand side, minus 9 divided by minus 9 cancels, so I'm just left with x. Minus 45 divided by minus 9. A minus divided by a minus is a plus, negative divided by negative is a positive. 45 divided by 9 is 5, so x is equal to 5. And that's those.